Hello and welcome back to this WordPress from scratch with Tsohost video series. In this third part we're going to look at logging into your newly created WordPress website, creating a new admin user account, deleting the old admin user account and changing a few of the settings on WordPress to make sure it's ready for you to add a theme, etc. Okay, so first what we want to do is we want to go and log in. So if we go to wp.wtf/wp-admin, that will take us to a login page. Okay, now we type in the username that was provided by Tsohost and the password, and then we click login. Okay, now we're in the back end of your WordPress website, the WordPress dashboard. First thing we want to do is go down here and click add new under users. And now we want to create that new admin user account. So let's type in the username and my email. And a first name, a last name, type in the website, and a password too. And we click send password. Yep, let's send that to the user account. And most importantly, let's change the role to admin. Okay, let's click add new user. Okay, you can see here we've got two admins. We've got the demo one I've just created and the existing one as created by Tsohost. Now what we want to do is we want to log out and log in as demo. Okay, so let's log back in with the new user account that we've created. Just type in the username and then the password and then click login. Great, so now we're logged in as demo, as you can see here at the top right hand corner. Right, now we want to delete the preset admin account set by Tsohost. So we click delete right next to that account and delete all content and confirm deletion. Okay, that's the most basic step of getting your WordPress site set up. Ideally your username won't be demo, it won't be admin, it will be something a bit more unique, and your password is also very strong, so it can't be guessed. Okay, what we want to do now is we want to go into settings and click general, and we change this site title to our site's name, delete the tagline, change the email address to my email address, change the time zone. I mean, for the UK it's always set slightly wrong, so we want to go and find London. Perfect. And site language, we want to change that to English UK and click save changes. While we're waiting for that to save, basically what we want to do is we want to go through each of the settings and make sure the WordPress site is ideally set up. So we'll go into writing next. Okay, we change this convert emoticons and click this WordPress should correct nested HTML automatically, and then click save changes. Then we click reading then that's fine. Then we click discussion, and everything but I'm going to remove avatars just because it speeds up the site. Your site doesn't have to pull in the images from Gravatar, so let's uncheck show avatars. If you want to keep it checked, that's fine. I'm just going to uncheck it, so let's click save changes. Next is media. Okay, everything here is fine for now. The only thing I'm going to do is organize, uncheck this bit here, is organize my uploads into month and year based folders. Personally, I like all my images in one place, not organized by month and year, just because they're easier to pull out if I need them later. And click save changes. Then permalinks. Okay, so this custom structure isn't as SEO friendly as it can be. So let's click on post name, and that will give us the most friendly in terms of SEO URL we can get. Slug for the URL, okay? And then click save changes. And then what we do is we go to dashboard, and let's remove some of these screen options. I would remove quick draft and WordPress news and move the activity over just to clean up that screen. Then we click updates, and let's update everything. So let's update WordPress core. Ideally you back up, you create a backup of everything you do. Tsohost will create daily backups. As this is the first fresh install, it's only just gone up, it won't have any backup. So I mean, we've got no content anyway, so let's update anyway. But ideally you'd back up before you do any significant changes, such as updating the core or plugins or themes. Always back up. Great, it should go to screen, it should tell you the latest features. It's worth having a look through some of the new features every time you update the core. Let's go back to updates. Let's update plugins. Let's go back to updates again. Let's update all of the themes that are preset. So it'll be all the WordPress default themes, 13, 14 and 15. And we'll go back to updates. And as you can see there, everything is completely updated. Right, now we'll go through and we'll check all of the rest of the options on here. So we'll click posts, see if we've got any content, and we've got 2 items in the bin. Let's go and delete these. So we'll click delete permanently next to them. And let's go into categories. The default category is always uncategorized. I kind of don't think that's right. I mean, it's still a category, so let's change that to latest or whatever you prefer as the default one. It looks a bit neater. And let's go into pages. There should be a page deleted when we deleted the previous admin account. So let's go into the bin and then click delete permanently. Let's click comments. As you can see, there's nothing in the pending, approved, spam or bin. Perfect. And that will next go into plugins. And let's click delete Hello Dolly. And then delete Clef as well. I leave limit login attempts. That's preset by Tsohost. Just gives you an extra layer of protection against brute force attempts to log into your site. Okay, great. So that sums up modifying the backend. Now, all you need to do is go in and add a theme, add plugins, start adding content, images, etc. to your website. From this point, to access the main site, you can just click here and up in the top left-hand corner, just hover over this and click Visit Site, and we should go to the front of the website. There we go. Thank you for checking out my first video series, WordPress from scratch with Tsohost. I hope you found it useful. Please like if you liked it. If you've got any questions, just write them in the comments below this video. Thank you.